Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm checking out this 50 PSI high pressure air pump. So this can be used for your car tires, motorcycle, basketballs. What's really cool though, I've never seen this before, is it for like inflatable paddle boards and stuff like this. It has a device for that. So that's pretty sweet. This thing comes in a couple different colors. I think it's like green and orange. Check that out. There's a little handle on there. It looks like a little submarine or something. That looks pretty futuristic. It's got a light on there as well. Inflate, deflate. So, oh, that's cool. That's legit. So this one has, not only can you inflate things, if you've ever like taken a raft or something or those paddle boards, you can inflate them. But if you want to take, it's got a nice long cord here though. But anyways, if you need to, like, you take a raft or something and you try to fold it up and it's not deflated all the way, it doesn't ever fit back. And I got a paddle board, that's the inflatable one, and it's got a backpack you put it into. But if you don't like use like the deflation technique to get it all the air out, it's pretty hard to fold it back up. So that's pretty sweet. Let's check out the cord. It's got a nice long cord with the cigarette lighter adapter. So you take this to your with you in your car. I recommend things like this for having your car. Let's see how long this cord is. Okay, there's 6 feet. Dun dun. What do you got going on here? Looks like I got a little snagged up. And probably, I don't know, I'd probably go like 12 feet, 11 feet, something like that. It's a pretty long cord there, so that's nice. And then we have all the different attachments here. So you could take this to the river, blow up your raft and stuff real quick. I'm gonna test it out on the couple things that I got. And then we have this one here for just the tire, and it's got the nice little adjustable, so we'll inflate one of our car tires too, maybe a bicycle tire as well. But yeah, it's pretty legit. Oh, what do we got here? Couple little fuses, looks like. And in the bag too, we have a nice little carry bag. So yeah, super convenient if you're like go to the river all the time, water sports, you even have a pool or something, you need to blow those up kind of quick. Definitely beats like a pump or whatever. I have a pump for my the kayak, or no, was it you stand on top of it? Paddleboard, yeah, use your inflatable paddleboard. I do have a kayak as well, but this one, the inflatable paddleboard is like high pressure ones, and it's definitely a workout too. So if you're out in the hot sun trying to pump that up, you get all hot and sweaty, and that's no fun. Well, I guess you can jump in the river, but anyways, let's go test this thing out and see how it works here. All right, well, I got this plugged into my truck here, and now just attach one end to here. So we want to go into the inflate section there. So just push that on there. Let's see. It looks like it just goes on there and just screw it in. It's pretty easy. All right, that's actually really easy to work with. All right, and then we'll see which one fits on here. Let's see here. Is it the bigger one? Oh, okay, there it is. There's that other one. Screw it on there. Okay, here is the moment of truth here. Let's just, has our little power button here. Push the power button, and then it has a little cycle thing, and that's for a raft, it's for a car, motorcycle, bicycle, and then kayak is the first one. Let's just go ahead and hit start. It's at 15 PSI. This is recommended. 15 PSI, maximum is 17. Hit start. All right, we're at 14.5 there. That turns off right at 15, so probably about 12 minutes to pump it up, so not horrible. And that thing is, oh yeah. There we go. And it's all inflated, so that wasn't too bad at all. And that is, oh yeah, super solid. So definitely a lot easier than blowing it up. If I were to use that pump, it, like I said, it takes a while. So even this might take a little bit. It's well worth it not having to like do it like physically. So yeah, I like how it stops automatically, so I don't have to keep an eye on it too, and it's not going to overinflate it. So let's do a couple other things real quick. Okay, got a flat tire on my bike here, unfortunately. Put that on there, hit the little button here. Give you guys a view of this so we can see better. Okay, so it's right on kayak right now, so press to switch. That's a raft, car, and motorcycle, and we're gonna go bicycle. So that's all you gotta do, just press start. Pretty fast. And we can see the PSI right there. .45. There we go. That was about a minute, so that was very nice. All right, let's do one more. I like how it shows like what the current PSI is. So we're at 29. Let's see if I can get a view of that. Can I even see it? Hopefully you guys can see that. We're at 29 and we want to go to 36. So there we go. Just press the button. And there we have it. That was pretty quick, right about a minute. We're good to go. So this thing does a nice job of inflating. Definitely something handy to have, whether you go to the beach all the time or just have one for your car just in case you have an accident or you run out of, tire pressure or something like that. It's really nice to be able to have a. So this has a light right here on both ends too. So if you do need to like inflate something, you're gonna be able to see. So if it's dark out, that's another nice feature. You can just turn that on, have that light available. So anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this review. Hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day and I'll see you next time.